Apply and rub oil on the entire leg 3 to 5 times. Press Strongman Splint 12 3 to 5 times. Push on the following channels: splint channel, stomach channel, liver channel, gallbladder channel 3 times. Stroke along the entire leg 3 times. Stroke along the groin 3 to 5 times. Stroke groin with both thumbs alternately 3 to 5 times. Rub back and forth as if twisting a fried dough 3 times. Rub kneeling fingers on the end of thigh till it turns hot. Growing lymphatic detoxification. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Use metal fingertip cups to push the 4 channels and slide to the groin 3 times. Circle around the groin back and forth 3 times. Coupled with hand, push the groin 3 times. Coupled with hand, start from the middle of the thigh, pushing in parallel lines to the groin 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Move the cups in parallel lines on the upper leg 1 to 2 times. Adjust the pressure accordingly. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Fix the cups on 足三里 stomach 36 and 三阴交 splint 6 for around 10 minutes. Remove the cups.